Good evening, friends. Welcome to Durga Soft. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. So we are going to start this new batch in online mode. Okay. And myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience. 12 years of experience in various programming languages. Okay. And sir, we started a new batch called logic based programming. Okay, logic based programming is nothing but a new batch. Sir, in short form, we can call it as LPP, logic based programming. And we are going to cover 300 plus programs. Okay, we are going to cover 300 plus programs. Sir, in this batch, you can expect 350 programs. I am going to cover 350 to 400, but I will stick on to my word. 350 programs we are going to cover. Even if time permits, more than these programs also we are going to cover. Okay, sir, I request everyone to please be switch on your video mode. Keshav, next. Sir, these 300 programs implementation we are going to see in C language, Java and Python. Sir, I will take each and every program and I will explain that program in C language. Even we will discuss this program in Java and even in Python. So in all the programming languages, we are going to discuss the solution for this problem. For every problem, we are going to discuss the solution in all these three languages. Okay, then, sir, next and after that, let me give some inputs regarding the course details. Then we can go for what formalities we are going to learn, all these things. Sir, here the title of the course is nothing but logic based programming. Sir, this batch is nothing but fifth batch, sir. Successfully first batch, second batch, third batch, fourth batch we launched, and this is nothing but a fifth batch. With a huge strength, we started first batches. Okay, sir, almost all the batches are now in ending. It is about to end at 31st of this month. Okay, sir, L3 and 4 are running successfully with almost 200 programs. It is running, and we are going to start a regular batch on these timings, LBP 5. Okay, sir, what is the duration of the course? The duration of the course is nothing but sir, it is 3 months. The course is nothing but 3 months, sir. But probably it won't take those many months, but just I am taking, sir, 3 months course because we need to study each and everything in the program. Sir, don't hesitate. Sir, you have to attend these sessions. Even if not possible, you can view the recordings. Okay, sir, in these, how many programs we are going to cover? I already told, sir, we are going to cover 350 programs minimum 350 programs will be there. But if time permits, I will extend it to 400 also. But 3 months won't be required. Within the less time period only we can able to finish. But if any time permits, then I will cover few more programs for you people. You can expect more programs from my side. Then, sir, what about the timings of this session? Sir, every day session will be there. Okay, every day session will be there. Sir, Saturdays and Sundays maximum sessions won't be there, but if time permits, I will take some extra classes also, because something like sequence of programs will be there. Suppose consider I want to write a program to perform operations with arrays, like I want to perform insert operation, I want to perform delete operation. Sir, I want to perform update operation. Okay, I want to perform update operation. Like in the insertion, I want to insert at first location, I want to insert at last location, I want to insert at middle location, I want to insert at any position which you have given. Similarly, sir, deletion also same, first position, sir, middle position, sir, last position, given location, like this. Okay, sir, update based on position, update based on element. Sir, to explain these many programs, minimum, sir, 20 programs will be there based on this. right? To cover all these programs, we will take sir 1.5 hour 2 hours a session on special days like Saturdays and Sundays, sir, to complete that stretch full. It is not related to the subject, sir. I am talking with respect to the continuation, so that you people will in a good mood that we can cover all the related topics in a single session. Okay, sir, the timings of this course is nothing but 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. This is nothing but sir duration, I mean timings of this course. Okay, yeah, it is a regular batch. It is a regular batch, sir. We are going to cover daily. So that means Monday session will be there, sir. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, probably Saturday and Sundays. Okay, we are going to plan irregularly, not a daily. Okay, then, sir, what is the fees for this course? Sir, the fees has been updated. The fees is nothing but 1,500 rupees is nothing but the fees. Okay, then, sir, to whom I have to contact if I want to register for this course? Very simple, sir. Be prepared with your mobile number and email ID, registered mobile number, registered email ID, and you have to contact 8096 969696, and you need to make a payment and confirm this batch. And demo sessions probably 3 days or 4 days will be there. Today is a 23rd, right? Today and tomorrow we have demo session, and Saturday Sunday we don't have any demo. Again on 27th onwards our regular classes is going to be started. Okay, this is nothing but about the course details what we have. Okay, yeah, sir. Yeah, let me complete my complete introduction, sir, then we can ask queries. Okay, please wait, don't mind, sir. Next, and after that, sir, what benefits you are going to get from this? What benefits you are going to get from this? Okay, sir, the benefits is nothing but running notes. Running notes will be uploaded, will be updated on daily basis. On daily basis, sir, you can able to get running notes. Okay, sir, I will show you some sample running notes for you people. Okay, I will show you one running notes for you people. This is nothing but the running notes. This is nothing but the running notes, sir, where you are going to get like this for every program. First program, okay, sir, problem statement will be there, input and outputs will be there, what logic we have to write for that, and how you are going to write the program in C language, how you can able to write the program in Java, sir, how you can able to write the program in Python. In Python also, if time permits, we see different versions also. In how many lines we can write the code is also very, very important nowadays, right? How sharply, how efficiently we can write the code, sir, that also we are going to cover as a part of this one. Okay, sir, all these things we are going to cover. Okay, then, so like this, every problem statement, okay, with explanation, okay, everything I am going to cover, sir. All these where we have to practice these programs, we have hacker rank link is there. I hope majority of you people may know about this hacker rank. In that website we have created one separate login. There you have to do the programs. Okay, so already inputs will be given, already expected output is also there. Just you have to write the program and you need to click on execute button, whether your program is satisfying our requirements or not. What is my requirement? Already I have dumped in hacker rank website. For that requirement you have to write the program. Okay, sir, maybe you have to write a program to read a number and you have to check whether it is even number or odd number. Okay, sir, you have to write a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. For that, sir, what requirement you have to write? Sir, you need to create the program. You have to create the program. That is completely your choice. Okay, sir, you have to write the program here. Sir, once if you are writing the program, already, sir, I have created some test cases. Suppose if the input is nothing but 5, sir, you need to print it as a odd number. So ODD we have to print. Suppose if they are giving 6, we have to print even. Like this, sir, minimum some seven inputs, 7 outputs will already dumped. Sir, you have to write the program and you need to run this program. Sir, if you run, it will verify, it will execute against all the test cases, and it is going to return 1.0. Sir, if you cleared all the test cases, you will get 1 point. Suppose out of 5, if you are cleared only 4 test cases, sir, you will get 0.89 something like that marks. Okay, sir, every program is associated with 1 point. So after completion of this course, out of 350, sir, if you are getting 300 plus points, then make sure that you are perfect in the program. Of course, I will give the logics. I will explain you how you can able to solve. But beyond that, your practice is also required. Sir, don't worry. How to run the program in that HackerRank link, I will explain in further session. Okay. Then, after running notes, you are going to get video recording also. Video recording also you are going to get, but it is not downloadable. Just you have to view the recording, and the validity is nothing but almost you are going to get sir 7 months validity. 6 to 7 months, I think 6 months only. 6 months validity you are going to get. Okay, this is nothing but what benefit you are going to get. Sir, with this you are allowed to attend free workshops. Like why only for logic based we are started free workshops, sir? What is the reason for this free workshop is nothing but, assume, sir, I am explaining a string concept. Almost in this we have 50 to 60 programs will be there only on strings. But sir, you should have a minimum knowledge on string data structure, right? So without using string data structure, we can't solve the problem. Sir, how I can able to solve that string data structure problems? Sir, for that compulsory, you must have a knowledge on strings, right? You must have a knowledge on strings. Sir, for that we will plan a separate workshop where we are going to talk about sir, some important things which are related to our logic based programming, like sir, what is mean by string, what is mean by string buffer, what is mean by string builder, sir, what functions are there, how you can able to construct the objects, sir, how you can able to construct string values, sir, what functions are there, equals ignore case means what, okay, concat method what it is going to do, compare to method what it is going to do, sir, compare to ignore case starts with, ends with, contains, sir, all these things we are going to cover as a part of workshop. So demanding, so suppose if I am taking these particular string programs in the Monday, means I will plan one workshop in the Saturday or Sunday. So you need to attend that free workshop. So that workshop material and that workshop video also will be shared for you. Okay, so that it will be very useful for coming upcoming sessions, so that you can solve the problems very easily. Sir, like this we will have, and even some applications also we are going to develop here. See here, one application I developed. What is that application? Sir, every character, first letter you have to do uppercase. So how to write the program? Here you can see, sir, here have you observed, sir, how many characters are there in this string? If length is even, if that word length is even, convert it to uppercase. If the word length is odd, keep as it is. Like this, we need to prepare the applications. Sir, all these things you are going to cover in workshops, not only on string, everything we are going to see. Sir, in that video and material will be shared for you people, sir, like normal running notes only. Okay. Then, sir, in addition to that, the validity of a HackerRank link. okay, is lifetime validity hacker rank link. Maybe tomorrow if I am starting a new logic based programming, sir, with definitely not 350 programs, definitely I will cover 400 programs, sir. That extra 50 programs by default it will be added to your hacker rank link, sir, so that you can practice and you can communicate with me through mail or any other electronic media. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, and one more thing, sir, after completion of this, okay, after completion of this, you can able to crack any coding round, sir, starting from Wipro, okay, TCS, CTS, sir, any company you can take, sir, easily you can able to crack the interviews. Especially this course is very benefitable for pre-final years and final years, sir, those who are entering into the final years and those who are in the final years. Okay, for these two category students, definitely this course will be very helpful for you people, sir. Maybe you are attending the placements in your college, right? So at the time, immediately one HR is coming and they are giving one problem for you. Array, write a program to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Sir, you have to write the program. How you can able to write, sir? How you can able to think and how you can able to construct that program in various programming languages, I am there to guide you, and you have to spend some time to practice that. Okay, sir, I'm giving, if you are listening my class for 1.5 hour or 1 hour, next day, sir, listen this video 1 or 2 times and you have to practice the programs whatever I discussed. Maybe at the initial stages I will take 3 programs, 4 programs per day, but later 4 5 programs, 6 programs. If you practice these programs, then make sure that you will be strong in the programming domain. You can able to solve any kind of program, sir. Okay, that assurance I can able to give for you people. Okay, this is nothing but our course, sir. Till now I didn't introduce the course syllabus, and then I didn't introduce it in which platform we are going to work. That part I will take care now itself, don't worry, sir. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes, please let me know. All your queries I will answer, and you have to post your queries in the chat window, please. It's time for you to ask all your queries. Go ahead, guys. Yeah, so many queries. Mostly we are getting time on Saturday and Sunday, sir. No, Sunil, it is a regular class. If you want, you can view the recordings, but Saturday Sunday we don't have any class, but occasionally we will take. Sunil and Nikhil, if some stuck not understand the concept, can we talk in Hindi? Nikhil, I don't know Hindi. Probably we can communicate with English, no problem. See, communication is nothing but just a medium, sir. Finally you have to understand the concept, don't worry. Okay, what about video recording? Saurabh, yeah, we are going to get a video recording also. Which language will be implemented? Sir, the language is nothing but C, Java and Python. Okay, C++ option is also given for you, but based on your requirement, if you want you can take, otherwise you can ignore. Sir, will the programming language will be taught, will be proceeded to the programs, or do we need to know the programming language before in hand? Yeah, definitely. Gunashekaran, definitely at least one programming language knowledge must be required. Okay, otherwise you can't understand what I am telling. See, if I am writing if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, and you should not ask what is that if, all these things, because you should have a minimum knowledge. So it is not a programming language background, I mean a programming course. It is logic based programming. We are concentrating only on programs, not on language. Sir, at least one language must be required, but make sure that if you know at least one language, happily you can get interest to learn remaining languages. At the same time, if you are above average student, you can learn these new languages also from this session. That much easiness will be there, sir. Okay, I can give the guarantee for that. Which language will be implemented? Yes, Vishal, I told, right? Sir, we are going to implement in all the languages. Anurag Pandey, no, it is not only for fresher, anyone, those who are to learn programming, yes, it is useful. Yes, Ramkoti, yes. C, Java, Python, 3 languages. Ahmad, dynamic programming, all the advanced concepts we are not covering. We are at the basic level only. Okay, we are not concentrating even on time complexity, space complexity like that. Just what is their requirement, how you can able to solve. Up to fundas we are going to see. Okay. Yeah, 10 years. No problem, Rakesh. If you are already having an account on HackerRank, no issues. No. Same batch only. See, whether you are experienced candidate or not, forget about that. You need to learn something. Okay. Anurag sir, Anurag Pandey. Sir, when you will Python new batch start? Okay, I will inform you. Probably in the evening 5 o'clock we are planning, but I will let you know if any batches is there. You can view that Telegram and YouTube. There you will get notification of my new batches. Java batch and Python batch. Soon it is going to start. Don't worry. What about the difficulty level? Dipendra. Yeah, we are going to see easy problems, medium problems, higher level problems also we are going to see. Okay. No. Ashok. No, Alok. We are not going for dynamic, all these things. I already told, right? Yeah, Alok, we are going to see those programs also, tuple sets, the dictionary, all these things. But make sure if demands, then only we will introduce those topics. Otherwise, we won't, because it is not a programming language, right? Suppose if I want to count a frequency, like hello, how many times H is repeated? How many times E is repeated? If it is the case, we need to choose one data structure, which is nothing but a dictionary. Then I will pick up the dictionary for that problem and I will explain how it will work. But as a separate dictionary topic, we won't teach, sir. Okay? Alok Yadav, I think you got. Yeah, Nikhil, this is exercises only. We are going to practice the exercises. I will give 10 or 15 problems advance. You can practice and you can come to the next session. It is a practice session only. We will practice lively. We will take a problem. We will see what is the input, what is their expected output. All these things we are going to analyze, and then we will prepare algorithm and we are going to write the program. Everything we are doing manually, Nikhil. Yeah, Sunil, you can start from basics to advanced level. Nikhil, you are going to get videos on daily basis. Once if the class is completed, maybe half an hour or 1 hour after rendering, you can able to get the video. No, dynamic programming we are not going to cover. Collections, Durga Prasad. Yes, collections will be there. Like I told, right, whenever it is recommended, I will take. Suppose if you take, I want to remove the duplicates. So in Java, I can go for one collection like hash set like that. So in that case, I will introduce. But as a separate topic, we are not. Yeah, Sushil, we are not going to cover dynamic programming. Yeah, no problem. Akshay, it will be very helpful for you. No worries. Yeah, Ahmad, we are going to see the difficult programs also. This batch is for everyone, sir. Those who want to learn programming, this batch will be very helpful, not for a fresher or experienced. No data structures. Data structures won't be included here. Yeah, advanced DSA. Yeah, definitely. Look, yeah, definitely. If time permits, we will launch. Yes, probably it will be uploaded within the same day itself. Yes, definitely it will be useful for experienced person also. Experienced people means if you want to move from one organization to another organization where coding is important, I want to go for a coding domain, like I want to build the projects, like I want to do coding, okay, sir, debugging, like wherever coding is there, it is highly recommended to learn this so that you can increase your logical thinking. Okay. Yeah, Gunashekaran, yes, you can join. As a beginner you can enjoy these sessions. Clear? I think all your doubts got clarified. Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. If no doubts, we can move. Rakesh, we are not going to cover a stack data structure separately. In my program, parenthesis balancing is there. For that, compulsory we have to take the help of stack. There we will introduce stack. Okay. Q also we are going to introduce, but as a separate topic, we won't teach. Okay. Logical course for advanced Java concepts. No, sir. No, sir. Oops concepts won't be covered in this. Trig of no, no. Yeah. Oops concepts won't be there because those are project building concepts, not problem solving. Okay. Of course we can, but something related to theory. Yeah. Yes, I told right. You need to contact this two number. You can contact now itself. So contact to this number, make this payment, and our admin team will share the details. Okay. So you have to follow those things. Yeah, Rakesh, we will see those kind of programs also. Yeah, Anurag, sure. Almost 4 sessions or 5 sessions will be free, sir. Then after that, payment link we are going to get. Yeah, recursion problems will be there. Recursion problems will be there. Yeah, you can contact Nikhil. Contact to this number 80969696. Contact to this number. They will share each and every information. Okay. Yes. Shall we continue? Shall we continue? Yeah. Sir, please put your doubts ahead. We will discuss your doubts later. Okay. Let me go with our task. Next. Sir, here, what is our agenda? What is our daily activity? Okay. What is our daily activity? Sir, in LBP, logic based programming, what activity we are going to do? Sir, very simple. Our first activity is nothing but we are going to read the problem statement. We are going to read the problem statement very clearly. We are going to read the problem statement very clearly. Okay. Sir, after reading the problem statement, okay, 1 minute. Any one link I will show you so that you people will get some idea. 1 minute, sir. Please wait. Yeah, sir, you can see this is nothing but one of the program challenge which we are going to discuss. Sir, LBP number 10, 10th program. Sir, we are going to read this problem statement clearly. What is a problem statement? We have to implement a program to calculate sum of digits, sum of odd digits present in the given number, and input a number we have to supply from the user. The constraint is nothing but the number should be greater than 0. Sir, what is the output? Print sum of odd digits. Suppose if the given number is 123, the problem statement. Then we are going to divide the problem. Okay, we are going to dividing the problem. So what is our requirement? If problem is very big, then it will be useful. If it is a small chota program, no need to divide the problem, directly we can implement. Then we have to find the logic to solve the problem. Okay, to logic to solve the problem. Sir, in the previous program, if you see in the previous program, what is the logic, sir? What is the logic, sir? Just from the user. Next, what we have to do, sir, divide that number into digits. Okay, then what is the third step? Sir, check whether that digit is odd or not. Sir, if odd, then add to sum, else ignore. Sir, finally, what is our requirement? We have to print the sum. Sir, let me read this problem statement one by one. Suppose assume I have given the number called 1 2 3 4 5. What is the first step? Read the number. Yes, assume this is the number. What is the second step? Divide that number into digits. So 1 2 3 4 5, like this I divided. We have to write a loop to get these digits. Check whether that digit is odd or not. Sir, first one, is it odd? Yes, sir. If odd, then add it to sum. Initially sum is equal to 0, add this 1. Sir, 0 plus 1 will become 1. Is 2 is odd? No, ignore that. Is 3 is odd? Yes, add to that. 3 plus 1 will become 4. Is 4 is odd? No, ignore this. 5 is odd? Yes, add it to that. 9. Sir, after print the value of sum. Sum is nothing but 9. That's all. That we have to do, sir. Next, once if analysis is completed, we have to implement the problem. You have to implement the program in C language. Sir, I will explain in all the languages. And we have to implement the in Java. And sir, we have to implement the program, sir, in Python. You need to solve this problem in all these cases. Okay, sir, implementing the problem in Python will become very easy, sir. Implementing the problem in Python will become very easy. Sir, we can write single line code for this. Okay, I can write a single line code for this. Let us see, sir, how I can write a single line code for this. Okay, I will write here. Observe carefully. Sir, we can write a single line. Sir, how you can write? Sir, very simple. Int of, okay, 1 minute. So list of input, then sir, int of I, for each I in input. Sir, if I percentage, if sir, int of I percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then you have to select that, and you need to find out the sum of this, and you need to print the value. Sir, don't ask how it is going to work. I will explain as a programmatic scenario in upcoming sessions. This is the way for this problem. Sir, how easily we can solve? Only single line code we have to write.